Want to get rid of skin tags and warts quickly and naturally? Today I'll show you a simple 2-ingredient remedy that works wonders. Skin tags often disappear overnight or within days, though some may take up to 2 weeks. But here's the thing, skin tags and warts aren't random. They're signs of underlying issues like insulin resistance, estrogen dominance, or HPV. Understanding why you have them is key to keeping them from coming back. So what's the fix? Iodine and garlic. Just mix a couple of drops of povidone iodine with freshly crushed garlic juice. Apply it directly to the skin tag with a cotton swab, cover it with a Band-Aid, and repeat twice a day. Keep the garlic fresh in the fridge because its active compound, allicin, is what makes it so powerful. You should see shrinkage within a day, and if needed, continue for up to 2 weeks. Most importantly, fix insulin resistance to prevent future skin tags. The best way? A healthy ketogenic diet plus intermittent fasting. Once you correct the root cause, these skin tags will be gone for good. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health tips.